Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We just got delivery of our future vegetable stand, and I'm going to kind of give you a preview of it and kind of what we're thinking about, some of the things we're going to do and modifications. And we had a guy move it over here. He did a real good job, no problems. Now this is just a temporary. I think they're talking about, I'm talking about my wife and my girls talking about painting it a different color, so we'll go over all that, and let's go inside and kind of talk about kind of some of the stuff I want to, or we want to do inside, and you can offer your suggestions down in the comments or whatever, and make it better. So, but we got a little porch here, and I might put some kind of things on the side here to do plant sales. And then in the fall we'll have pumpkins and stuff, watermelons we can put out here, all kinds of things. So we'll probably do a little something out here, and let's go inside. I kind of some stuff we're knocking around. Now, none of these plans are final, so this is just our preliminary plan. So when we get to building it and it turns out a little different, you'll know why. This is the inside, and inside is 8 by 12, and then I think there's a 4-foot porch. So. But inside, I think we're going to put a window. We might even put 2 windows in the back to let light in. And if we have to, we'll put a little air conditioner in there during the summer. But we're going to insulate these walls, and I think we're going to put some plywood on the walls, and I guess on the ceiling too, and paint it with that. Part of it will be painted with that chalkboard paint, so we can write, you know, eggs, carrots, whatever on here. And then we'll put little sales benches right through here and around, all around, and have our vegetables in those little, you know, those little slanted benches or counters. I don't know what you call them, counters or something. And then of course we'll have an honor system, and we'll probably have 2 separate things for eggs that are been ordered and eggs that are for sale. So we'll put one, like if you want, like some people come every week and you can come down here and get them and put your name on them. You get them out of that locker or whatever we do. This is just some stuff we're knocking around. So, but anyway, I think we're going to plywood, insulate it, put 2 windows or at least 1 window, paint the floor. I don't know, if we put windows in, we won't need a light or anything. And then we're going to paint the porch, and we'll paint the outside, and so we're really looking forward to it. And if you got any ideas that I hadn't thought about, let me know in the comments, because we just now got it like 5 minutes ago, and we're kind of been knocking around some stuff, and we're going to make it portable, so we're going to put it down there at the road. We're pretty a little ways from the road now, kind of close to the house. And just pull in the driveway, come in and get it and whatever. So I don't know if we're going to do Venmo. It's something we got to talk about. And definitely do cash on our system. So we'll figure all that out as we go. And if anybody's ever done one and got some ideas, you know, you can let us know. And So that's the big picture, and I think she's gonna put some signage and stuff up. Matter of fact, we ordered a sign this morning just for this. So she's been saving some signs, like vegetables, and I don't know what all she's got. So we'll see it when it's all done. And but the outside, I think they're gonna paint a different color, and the trim they're gonna paint a different color. So we'll see what they pick out. Probably pink and white. I'm just kidding. So this is, like I said, this is the big overview, and if you got any ideas that we can do, just leave them in the comment, because I'm open to all kinds of ideas, and I don't know exactly what all we're going to do. I got the big picture, but the final details we'll see. So appreciate everybody watching. So I hope you're excited as we are. Hopefully this works out and make our life a little easier about selling our vegetables and stuff. Plus, if you're in town, you can make a trip out, come see the farm, see the beauty and everything. It's real pretty in the spring and summer, and when it's all green and stuff. And hopefully it'll do good. So give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer, and we'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.